Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8911. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 20 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has double those numbers here, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? I don't think so. Maybe it's a 0 or a 1-star puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. For 1-star puzzle, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0, a 1, or a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot see any dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. We have a triple box here. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 here, so in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Oh, overlook this triple box with the 2 given, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and 3. And I've told you the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5, the inside box. Well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay, overlook this one. Quadra box. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. More L shapes here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left in the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. Okay. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left on 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box. So 1 and 4. Okay. We need a 2 in the L shape. Well, these two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this L shape area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 3. So only 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. Now, these two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Okay. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. 3 and 5. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. Yeah. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes and there. 1 and 4. We have a 1 here. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Again. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright, these 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box, so 1 and a 3. And I need a 4 in this area. 4 could be here, could be there, okay. 2, no, 1 and a 3, okay. Let me think. Well. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. So there's a 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3. But we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 3 goes there. 2 or 4, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and a 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 4 stars. Ridiculous. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.